Today I am going to discuss about the topic that is permutation and combination. The different arrangement which can be made out of a given number of things by taking sum of all at a time are called permutation. And each of the different groups that can be made out of a given number of things by taking sum or all at a time irrespective of their arrangement. This is the difference between permutation and combination. Irrespective of their arrangement is called combination. Irrespective of their arrangement is the difference between permutation and combination. Let's take three people. Names start with A, B and C. All combination of 3% taking 2 at a time are AB, AC and BC. Here AB and BA represent the same combination. But in the case of permutation, there are, if we take A, B, C, 3 people taken 2 at a time, then all the permutation are AB, BA, AC, CA and BC, CB. But in the case of combination, AB, BA same represent the same combination, AC, CA represent the same combination and BC, CB represent the same combination. But in case of permutation, they are all different. All combination of 4% of 4% taking 3 at a time is A, B, C, A, B, D, A, C, D and B, C, D. But if we arrange this letter as a permutation, then A, B, C, A, C, B, B, C, A, B, A, C, C, A, B and C, B, A. In case of combination, all 6 arrangement are same for combination, but in case of permutation, all 6 arrangement of this letter or these percents are different. The number of all combination of n distinct objects, the number of all combination of n distinct objects taken r at a time is NCR. NCR, the formula of NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. And the number of permutation of n different object taken r at a time where 0 less than r less equal to n and the objects do not repeat. Is NPR. The formula for NPR is factorial n by n minus r factorial equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial by n minus r factorial. Now NCN equal to NC0 equals to 1. N factorial by n minus n factorial equal to n factorial by n minus 0 factorial equal to 1. N factorial by 0 factorial equal to n factorial by n factorial equals to 1. NCR equals to n minus r equals to factorial n by factorial n minus r factorial into n minus of n plus r factorial equals to factorial n by r factorial into n minus r factorial equal to NCR. Therefore, NCn minus r equal to NCR. Now, if NCx equals to NCy, x not equal to y, then x plus y equal to n. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial plus n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 n minus r plus 1 by r factorial plus n into n minus 1 n minus r by r minus 1 factorial. Now taking common n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 dot n minus r plus 1 minus r by r minus 1 factorial equals to n minus r plus 1 by r plus 1 equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 n minus r by r minus 1 factorial n minus r plus 1 plus r by r. Therefore, n plus 1 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus r by r into r minus 1 factorial equals to n plus 1 equals to n plus 1 CR. Now, if there are two operations such that one of them is performed in MOS and when it has been performed in any one of these MOS, then the second operation is performed in NOS. Then the two operation in succession can be performed in M into N ways. Now let us consider an example. Out of 7 consonants, and 4 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? Total number of ways of choosing 3 consonants out of 7 and 2 vowels out of 4 is 7C3 into 4C2. As choosing of there is occur two events in succession. One is choosing of 3 consonants out of 7 and other is 2 vowels out of 4 vowels. Therefore, these are two dependent events. Choosing of consonant is dependent on choosing of vowels. So this here came a multiplication sign. Now the number of groups is containing 3 consonant and 2 vowel is 210. In each group, total number of letters is 5 and these 5 letters can be arranged among themselves, means it is a permutation, not combination. In each of these 210 groups, 5 letters can be arranged among themselves in factorial 5 ways, means n p n equal to 5 p 5 equal to 5 factorial. This is one event and this is another event. These two events are dependent. So number of 2 for one group, 5 letters can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial ways. For 200 group, 5 letters can be arranged in 210 into 5 factorial ways, equals to 210 into 120 equals to 25200 ways. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and if possible then like.